Guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in Diamante today, and oh my gosh, just slightly up the hill from the SS-18, it is absolutely gorgeous up here. We have some workers working, so that's what the noise is. It's not street noise or anything like that, it's workers working, but I'm going to show you this amazing apartment. It's mostly done, but it will be finished very, very quickly. You get to see what the tiles look like and what the place looks like. We are right above the Chirella Island. This place is absolutely stunning. Let's take a look. Okay, we are outside the unit here, and the gardeners are putting in some of the garden here. Now this gate here is your driveway, so you have a nice secure parking spot right inside your gate. How handy is that? So this place is going to look really, really beautiful when you get here. Look at those beautiful verbena. Lovely. Look at these pretty flowers. They're so pretty. Of course, the hardscaping is all in. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. As you come through, look. Oh my goodness. This is spectacular. I'm gonna come out front because I'm always drawn by the view. The view is like a magnet to me. Look at that, there's Diamante right there. That's the old town Diamante. I mean, if you had an e-bike, you could e-bike to that. You can walk down to the little bar down below, the bar pizzeria that he just reminded me that they make pizza all day, so, or not all day, but lunch and dinner. So you can just walk to there. Look how pretty this is. Let's go inside. Okay, we're going in. Now I have to tell you about this door. This door is a fully armored door, and it, look at it, locks all up and down, and it locks over here too. And it has a facility where you can actually put in an automatic remote or whatever, not remote, but like an automatic a combination lock so that you can change the code when you need to. Now, these windows are fully secure, unbreakable windows from what I'm told. They're apparently something new. They keep out also the heat and the cold, and they keep out the sound too. So when you're in here, it's very, very quiet. Now, down here we'll have the same tiles as upstairs, and they're just gorgeous. The tiles, of course, will be bigger because it's a much bigger, more open area. Here is your kitchen. You have facilities for a kitchen island right there, and I think they're probably going to put one in. This is just a beautifully done area. Very open, very gorgeous. You could put your Sojourno right here. You've got a little exit out onto the little terrace outside, but honestly, the terrace out here is really, really what you want to see. Now I'll show you the bathroom before I show you the terrace, because we're saving the best for last, as we do. Little bathroom here. Look how pretty these tiles are. They're like a bluish, you know, not quite Amalfitana. They're a little bit darker, but they're very, very pretty, very modern. And you've got a little ripostiglio underneath the stairs, sotto scala, lots of space there for things. And here's the best part. You have a beautiful terrace here. You put your table out here and dine here. The sunsets from here are spectacular. Now again, I would put a pool here, make another little sun deck there, and you got everything all set up and ready. And come October, November, you go down, you harvest all the olives from your trees, take them to the olive squishing place, the frontoio, get them squished, and then you've got olive oil for the rest of the year. Really high quality. And I will tell you that olive oil here, the good stuff, I just bought 5 kilos of it for 50 bucks. 5 kilos. I don't even know how to eat that much olive oil, but I'm going to share it with my friends. But I know that when you get that high quality olive oil in the United States, I've paid 50 bucks for a teeny tiny little bottle because it's so good and I miss it so much. So these trees are nothing to be sneezed at. You can have somebody else harvest them for you, and you've got olive oil. But the best part is this sea view, guys. Okay, we just came upstairs, and the stairs were recently put in. They will, of course, have a railing there. In the meantime, on the top of the stairs here, you've got here a beautiful big bathroom. Now, of course, that's where the towel rack, the heated towel rack will go. That's where the sink will be. Of course, you have your toilet and bidet right there, and a nice big shower, which I love. And I'm hoping they don't put glass there because I don't like cleaning glass in a shower. I love this idea of a wall here so that it keeps the water from coming out and you don't have to clean the glass all the time. And really pretty high-end features. Look at this, Schluters. They have Schluters here in Italy, and Schluter is basically these trim pieces, which are very popular in the United States right now. Now, here's one bedroom. There's 3 bedrooms total. This is a really nice studio, guest bedroom, could be both, actually. And let me show you. The view out the back is almost as pretty as the view out the front. Check it out. This is a very high-end area. You can see some really beautiful houses here. And of course, lots and lots of trees and whatnot. Beautiful, beautiful. Molto tranquillo is what we say. Now, the heating and air conditioning is central. So it's very expensive to put in. A lot of people don't do it here, but because this is a very high-end place, he's putting in the central heating and central air. Here's the master bedroom, you guys. Now, it needs to be cleaned, and of course, you need certain things, but look at this gorgeous tile, this blue. Hello. It's just stunning. I just love it so much. And then they've got the wood look here, which is now very popular in Italy. This is a huge bathroom. Nice big shower over there. Ensuite for your master. Absolutely gorgeous. The master itself is good size, but here's the pièce de résistance, guys. Here it is. What I love is they maximize the outdoor space and the views. Around the corner is the roof terrace. I'll take you up in a minute. But here we are. Look at this gorgeous terrace, you guys. And from here, you can see Historic Center of Diamante. So you're not even 5 minutes, maybe 5-6 minutes from the Historic Center Diamante. Go back and see some of my videos on some of the places we've eaten there and what we've done. It's gorgeous there, absolutely stunning. And look at this beautiful, beautiful sea view. And on that side, you have the Cirella Island right there. And this land goes all the way down to the street, and you have 20 olive trees. This is your garden. Again, I would put a pool on that side, pool deck, umbrellas. Oh my goodness, this place is stunning. Okay, let's go in. We're going to go in the back way to this other bedroom. 3 bedrooms total. This is a lovely studio or guest bedroom or whatever you want it to be. Good size. You know, look at that odd shape there. I would put that in, make it a closet. Very good use of space. You can have them custom made very inexpensively. Really, really nice, guys. Okay, so we are on the terrace here, but we're going to go up because there's a roof terrace up there. So if that view wasn't good enough for you, check it out. Let's go have a look. Okay, we just came up here up to the roof terrace, and I'll show you the sea view in a minute, but look at this view of the mountains. This is a high-end area. Look at, you've got beautiful houses here, and it's the hills of Diamante. Diamante, very desirable area, and you will see exactly why in a minute. Now, there's your garden down there. That's where we came in. You have areas here, and there's setups for solar panels. You can see that the neighbors put that in over here. I don't know if you can see that. Here's the stairs coming up. And now, let's go show you the view. First of all, this terrace is massive. So I'm going to come over here and start because we're overlooking Diamante Old Town. Take a look. That is the Centro Storico Diamante, which is right down by the sea. Shops, restaurants, beautiful murals. It's one of the most picturesque little fishing villages in all of Calabria. Very, very pretty. And look at this view, you guys. I don't know if you can get a feel of the sweepingness of the view, but from up here, it is amazing. There's Cirella Island there. And all the way down there, you can see parts of Grisolia and other areas here. But again, this is absolutely stunning. Now, the view from up here, like I said, I can't even explain it. This is a massive terrace. It's a beautiful house. It's almost done. Nobody will have lived here except you. See you soon, guys.